This video is all about finding the value of y. Now, we are given this particular problem. We're asked to find the value of y. There are two ways in which this particular problem can be solved. Now, let me just show the diagram here. Now, here you have A, B, C, and D. Let me see. A, B, C, and D. Now, this is a bisector. Sorry, the D is here. Now, this angle here is equal to this angle here. Now, here is 5, here is 4. From here to here is 6. So, let me just draw this properly. Now, let's say this is the bisector. This angle is equal to this angle. Now, the bisector BD is the bisector. So, the problem, we are given a problem where you have a triangle where side AB is 5, BC is 4, AC is 6. Now, we are asked to find y, and BD is a bisector, the angle bisector. So now, of a triangle. Now, we're going to use two methods to be able to do this. So now we're going to first use the Stewart's theorem. Then the second one, we're going to use cosine rule. So let's begin. So the first method, now applying the bisector theory, where since BD is a bisector, then the ratio of AB all over BC is equal to AD all over DC. Now let's assume AD is A and DC is B. Now we are going to have, it now implies that AB, which is 5, divided by BC, which is 4, is equal to A all over B. Now from this equation, if you multiply both sides by B, so B times 5 all over 4 is equal to A all over B times B. So this B will cancel out. You now have A is equal to 5B all over 4. This is equation 1. Now, from this expression, A plus B is equal to 6, equation 2. Now, we can now say substituting A equal to 5B all over 4 into equation 2, you now have, so anywhere we see A, we substitute 5B all over 4, so we have 5B divided by 4 plus B is equal to 6. So B is common, factor it out, you now have 5 all over 4 plus 1 into 6. So B will now be 5 all over 4 plus 4 is the same thing as 4 divided by 4 what I did is to make the LCM the same, so I can add the numerator. So now b will now be 9 all b times 9 all over 4 is equal to 6. So what we're going to do now, we divide both sides by 9 all over 4. So this will cancel out here. You now have b equal to 6 divided by 9 all over 4. So this is 6 divided by 1 times 4 all over 9. So now we now have 3 divided this is 3, 3 divided this is 2. So you have 8 all over 3. So that means b is equal to 8 all over 3. Now from, let me call this equation 3. So from equation 1, a is equal to 5 all over 4 b. And since b is 8 all over 3, so we'll just say 5 all over 4 times 8 all over 3, which will now be 4 here. 4 divided itself 1, 4 divided 8 is 2. So you have 5 times 2 is 10 all over 3. So a is equal to 10 all over 3. So that means we have gotten our a. Here is 10 all over 3, while here is 8 all over 3. So having gotten that, now we are going to apply Stewart's theorem. Now, if you have a diagram like this, and there is a bisector that bisects an angle bisector. Now, if you have here is A, here is B. Let's say here is okay. Let me just say have A, B, C. So here should be here should be my C. Here is my A. Then here is my B. So let's say here is X and Y. So the Stewart theory now says that we now have C square, this C square times Y, opposite it, times Y plus A square times X, opposite it, is equal to B times bracket open. Now you are looking for this. Let's say this is your Z. Now you say Z square plus this times this, which is X times Y. So that is the Stewart theory. So now, but in this case, C is 5. In this case, C is 5. In this case, C is 5. A is 4. B is 6. B is 6. X is 10 all over 3. Y is 8 all over 3. YZ is the Y we're looking for. So, okay, let me just call this Z. Sorry. Let me change this to Z, this Z. So, you have C squared Z, here will be Z, here will be, let me call this Y. So we're looking for Y, here will be Y squared. Then X times Z. So this is the formula. So now we're looking for, let me just erase this. We're looking for y. So applying this formula here now, you have our c to be 5. That means 5 squared times z, which is 8 all over 3, plus 4 squared times x, which is 10 all over 3, equal to b, which is 6 times, since times bracket open, y squared, which is what we're looking for, plus x, which is 10 all over 3, times z, which is 8 all over 3. So this will now give you 25 times 8 divided by 3, plus 16 times 10 divided by 3. This is equal to 6 into y squared, plus 10 times 8 is 80 divided by 9. So we now have 25 times 8 will give you 200 divided by 3, plus 16 times 10 will give you 160 divided by 3, equal to 6 into y squared plus 80 all over 9. So since the denominators are the same, we add the power. So you have 360 divided by 3 equal to 6 into y squared plus 80 over 9. Divide both sides by 6. This 6 will cancel. So now you now have y squared plus 80 all over 9 equal to, this will be 360 divided by 3 times 6. So 6 here, 1, 6 here, 60. So 3 here, 1, 3 here, that is 20. So that means we have y squared equal to 20 minus 80 all over 9. If this moves to this other side, if 80 divided by 9 moves to this other side, it becomes y squared equal to this. So you have y squared is equal to, this will now be 20 times 9 over 9 minus 80 all over 9. 9 over 9, 20 times 9 divided by 9 is same thing as 20. So this will be 180 minus 80 divided by 9, which will give us 100 divided by 9. So y squared. So taking the square root of both sides, you now have y equal to 10 all over 3. So that is the final answer. Now let's now do the second method. Now this is the problem again. This you have 5, 6, sorry, here is 4, 6, then this is a bisector. These angles are the same. We now have A, B, C, here is D, and then let's say here is theta. We're looking for y here. Now using cosine rule, you know cos theta is equal to, now the sides that are adjacent to that angle, you have 5 square plus. Okay, let me just write the formula for cosine. For cosine rule, you have here b. Let's say in triangle ABC, let me draw the triangle ABC. You have here is to be theta, here is 5, here is 4, here is 6, and you have A, B, C. Here is your A, this side is your C, this is your B. Now, cos theta will now be, now you have B, this B is adjacent to the angle B square plus C that is also adjacent, C square, minus the one that is opposite, which is A square, divided by, now these two that are adjacent, say 2 times BC. So that is the formula for cosine. So now let's look for cosine theta. So B is what? 6 square plus C is 5 square minus 4 square divided by what? 2 times 6 times 5. So this is equal to this. We have 36 plus 25 minus 16 divided by this is 30, that is 60. So okay, this minus this will give you already 20 plus this will give you 45 over 60. So 15 here is 3, 15 here is 4. So you have 3 over 4 as our cosine. So cos theta is equal to 3 over 4. Now when you look at in triangle ABD, which is, let me just draw the triangle. You have here to be 5, here to be, you have ABD. So AD is 10 all over 3. That was what we got there. 10 all over 3. AD is 10 all over 3. So we have here to be a y. So here is theta. Now applying the same rule, here is your D, here is your, let me call it B, go here equal to A. Now cos theta will now be the sides that are adjacent, which is D square plus B square minus A square divided by 2 dp. Now you have this. Okay, I can also rewrite this in this another form. Since so y square is the same thing as saying d square plus p square minus 2 dp cos theta. So d is 5 square plus b is 10 all over 3 square minus 2 times 5 times 10 all over 3 cos theta. So that means y square is equal to 25 plus 100 all over 9 plus minus 2 times So 5 times 10 is 50 all over 3 cos theta is 3 times 3 all over 4. So 3 will cancel this. So now you have 4 here. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2 here, 1, 2 here is you have 225. So that means you have 25 plus 100 over 9 minus 25. So this will cancel out. You have y squared equal to 100 all over 9. So taking the square root of both sides, you have y equal to 10 all over 3. So that is the final answer. Just the same with what we got here. So that is it. That is the end of the video. Thank you for watching till the end.